Alright guys, this is my 52-inch first generation Harvard Springfield ceiling fan. It's first generation because it's got the quick connect blades and the pressure bracket. So yeah, here's the light. Didn't go very fast and high at all. So yeah, let's do low. Yeah. And this is my second Harvard fan. My first one was the Harvard Armitage. So, yeah. It's medium. It hums a lot. It's an okay air mover, not too bad for Harvard breeze. Here's high. The light. Off. See if I can move it. I'm not gonna do it. Bend down. And by the way, my Hunter original is throwing it back. I'm just gonna, well, I mean, I still need to find blade for it. I found some blades on eBay, but they cost like $250. So I don't know, we'll have to see. And if I get blade for the silicone, I'll probably test the fan neck. Or I mean, one time we tried it with no blades, and then it kept blowing the circuit. So yeah, the phone's gonna have to wait till we get to the next house. I normally don't do reverse on my videos because it's gonna take too long. Just one touchdown reverse. Okay, let's do high. With some reverse too. Here we go. Three, two, one. So yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.